Hello and welcome to your channel Engineering Educators. Engineering in an engineered way. A very good news came from the Webcops Limited. It is a Government of India undertaking has published a new job advertisement for the various posts in engineering trainee, engineer and senior engineer in civil department. So in this video, I will discuss about all those details regarding this particular advertisement. And before starting my video, I'd like to request all of you please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for future notifications. As you can see over here, for postcode PC1, they have published name of the post is Engineer Civil. This advertisement on the behalf of engineer trainee civil, engineer civil and senior engineer in civil engineering discipline. So maximum age limit for engineer civil category 30 years and minimum experience that you need to have, which is 2 years post qualification experience in relevant construction site knowledges. Going to the number of post for this particular post, which is 2, and qualification, you must possess degree in civil engineering from a recognized university, but preferences will be given to mtech candidates. Going to the next post, which is the name of the post is PC02 engineer trainee. For this category of post, there is no experience that is needed for this engineer trainee civil, and the pay is 48,000 fixed pay, 40,000 basic plus 8,000 HRA, which is home rent allowances. Maximum age limit is 30 years and preference shall be given to experienced candidate, but Webcos Limited has been mentioned that for this category of post you don't need to have any kind of experience, but preference will be given to experienced candidate, but it is not mandatory one. Three number of vacancies are given for this particular post and you must possess btech degree in civil engineering discipline. For PC3 category, engineer civil 30 years, 2 years more investigation planning and 2 and required to posted in Kerala region. Now going to the senior engineer category. Senior engineer category, the maximum age limit is 40 years and you must possess 5 years as assistant engineer or minimum 4-year experience as assistant executive engineer, equivalent to pay scale 40,000 to 1,40,000. Two number of posts has been allotted for this category. BTech is the minimum educational qualification with 60% marks, but preference will be given to MTech qualified candidates. Webcos Limited has advertised some posts for Kerala region only, some posts for all over the India, and now I am going to discuss about the fee for applying this category of post. 1,000 rupees for general OBC candidates, and in case of SC ST PWD and female candidates you must pay 500 rupees, and pay will be in the form of demand draft. Okay, in favor of they have given that particular name. And how to apply for this engineering trainee, engineer and senior engineer category of post? You must have a proper formatted CV, and along with that testimonials you must send this particular address along with demand draft pay slip. So proper formatted CV you need to have, and along with testimonials and that particular envelope with your demand draft copy sent to this particular address in speed post. then they will give you a particular date for group discussion and interview. Okay, so it's a very good opportunity for new job aspirants as well as experienced candidates, so don't miss out it. And if you like my video, then give your valuable feedback in the comment section. Thank you, have a great day.